Aij equal to 1 by 2 I minus 3j. ओके, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। यह प्रश्न है आपका और इसका हमें सॉल्यूशन करना है। तो कैसे करेंगे अब उसको देखिए। अब यहाँ पर जनरल फॉर्म की आवश्यकता है हमें कि व्हाट इज जनरल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स। इफ यू नो जनरल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स, so you can find the value. A 2 cross matrix you can write in general a 3 cross 2. Okay, in general a 3 cross 2 matrix is given by what? 3 cross 2 means 3 rows, that is A11, A21, A31. Okay, and 2 column, that is A12, A22 and A32. Okay, this is the general form, and here we write capital A because the representation of a matrix is denoted by capital alphabets. Okay, now we find the value of A11, all 6 values, and then we write the matrix of order 3 cross 2. Okay, how you can find now? A11 means 1 by 2 I here 1 1, that means value of I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, so you put the value 1 1. 1 minus 3 into 1. Okay, now 1 by 2 modulus 1 minus 3, so you will be 1 by 2 modulus of minus 2. Okay, and this is the 1 by 2 into 2, that means 1. A11, the value of A11 is 1. हमने यहाँ से निकाल लिया। एक यहाँ पर ध्यान रखिए कि ये जो मॉडुलस होता है, जैसे कोई भी नंबर होगा, अगर नेगेटिव x है ये पॉजिटिव हो जाता है। ठीक है, इफ a number negative number in modulus, so value is positive, and if positive, so it will be positive. Okay, here we use this formula because minus 2 modulus, so here we write 2. Okay, now we will find A12, that means I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Okay, so put the value A12, 1 minus 3 into 2, 1 by 2, 1 minus 6, 1 by 2, 5, that means 5, यानी 5 by 2. The value of A12 is 5 by 2. In the same way, you can find the value of A21, A22, A31, A32, and at last all values you can put in this expression, so you will get answer. Okay, so now we find A21, 2, 1. That means I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. 1 by 2 and 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2. Okay? And in the same way, we can find the value of 822. We put the value I and j. Okay? 2 minus 6. 1 by 2 minus 4. 1 by 2 into 4 equal to 2. Here we calculate 4 value, and now remaining 2 value a 3 1 equal to 1 by 2. Put I equal to 3 and 3 into 1. Okay, so 1 by 2 modulus 0, that means 0, and again is a3 2 equal to 1 by 2 3 minus 3 into 2. 1 by 2 modulus what? 3 into 2 6 minus 3, so that is 3 by 2. Last value is 3 by 2. Hence the required matrix is given by A equal to, using the value of A11, that is 1, A12 5 by 2, A21 1 by 2, A22 2, and this is 0 and 3 by 2, 3 cross 2. This is the answer of the above question. Okay, so in your exam here, in question here, change the value I and j. Here you can write another thing, so you can find in general. First you learn, if you learn general representation of a matrix, that means 3 cross 2. So we write here, and here we see the value of first in ai j, i's and j. First value is I and second is j. So you can find in this way, and if this question come your exam or text, so you can write in this way, solution of the question. Okay, now we are going to, if you want to write, so you can write now we are going to express how many types, and now we learn type of matrices. Okay, so first ऐसे ही आप लोग इसको देखते रहिए और इसी तरीके से क्वेश्चन आप लगाएंगे। ठीक है, जहाँ जहाँ बेसिक हमें बताने ये लगेगा कि ये बेसिक है तो उसे बताना ही है। ठीक है, आप पेशेंस के साथ देखिए मैं कोई भी चीज़ यहाँ पे छोड़ नहीं रहा हूँ। ठीक है, छोटी छोटी बातें बता रहा हूँ, इसलिए वीडियो थोड़ी लंबी हो सकती है, सो यू कैन वॉच विद पेशेंस। ओके, now types of matrices. So first we define column matrix. First is column matrix. What is column matrix? A matrix is said to be, that means column matrix, only one column. If you can write 1 2 3 4 5, ठीक है? How many column? Column is only one. So you can say a matrix. How we can write definition? Its definition. So here you see, a matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. Okay, only one column. You can write example. So here we write for example 1 2 3. What is the order of this matrix is 3 cross 1. Okay, 3 rows, 1 2 3, and column is 1. Okay, and now second is 1 2 3, sorry, 1 3. What is the order? 2 cross 1. And another is 5 6 7. What is the order? 4 cross 1. In the above example, we see that at all places column is 1 1 1. So if you want to write in general form, in general, we want to write in general form of column matrix. How you can write? A equal to A I J. And what is the order? It is first place M cross 1. This is the general representation of a column matrix. Okay. Here you can write I varies from 1 to M and J equal to 1 only. Okay. This is the general representation of column matrix. So here we write definition of column matrix. A matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one rows. Sorry, only one columns. Okay. So if anyone can ask question, that is, if a matrix of an order 4 cross 1, so how you can say this is a column matrix? Because you can say the order of a matrix is 4 cross 1 and first represent row and second is column. So here you see column is 1. So you can say the matrix is column matrix. Okay. Now next topic is row matrix. So here we change some words, and this is the definition of row matrix. Second is row matrix. row matrix. A matrix is said to be, here we change row matrix, if it has only one rows. Okay, and you can write example is 1 2 3, another is 5 4 6 7, another is, so what is the order of this matrix is, how many rows? Only one. So at first place 1 and second place how many column? 1 2 3, 1 cross 3. Okay, and here how many rows? 1 cross column is 4. So in this example we see rows is 1, so here we write only 1 rows. Okay, only 1. If so, here if we want to write in general form, a equal to aij and order is 1 cross n. Okay, first place is row and second is column. So you can express in general form, this is the row matrix. If anyone write here order of a matrix is 1 cross 5, 1 cross 6, 1 cross 7, 1 cross 9, epsilon. So first you see number of rows 1, so you can say this is row matrix. Row matrix depends on only row, that is unity, and there is no any matter how many column present in that matrix. Okay, and the same opposite, if you want to write column matrix, so column is only 1 and there is no any effect how many rows in that matrix. So now we are going to third definition is square matrix, and this is very important matrix, square matrix. Square matrix, okay, very important. Square matrix. Third is square matrix. What is square matrix? Square means if you draw a square of sides A, that means all sides are equal. Okay, this means that the number of rows of a matrix if 3 and number of column is 3 cross 3. So you can write, you can define definition of square matrix is a matrix is said to be square matrix if the number of rows are equal to the number of columns. Okay, this is the definition. So here we define, this is very important, you can write here as a star. Okay, question in your exam may be asked at square matrix. So square matrix definition, a matrix is said to be, a matrix is said to be square matrix if the number of rows and the number of columns are equal. Okay, so if you write an example 1 2 3 9 8 5 7 6 4, the order of the matrix is how many rows? 1 2 and 3. How many columns? 1 2 3. So number of rows and number of columns are same, that is 3 3. So you can say this is square matrix. Okay, and we write here another matrix is 1 5 9 7. What is the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Number of rows and number of columns are same, so you can say this is the square matrix. Okay, so in this video we define matrix and some example. Okay, and we define column matrix, row matrix and square matrix and their general representation. Okay, this is the basic information about matrix, and now in next video we define some definitions and then addition of matrices, multiplication of matrices, subtraction of matrices. Okay, so we learn in this video. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching.